How to make thieves oil and why you should be using it daily. If you don't know what thieves oil, you need to read this story. Both the name and recipe for thieves oil have an incredible story, explaining why this oil blend is very beneficial for your health. The Thieves Story. Back in the 1990s, Gary Young examined essential oils. He recreated a blend he had been studying. He claims that there are 17 different versions of the story of thieves. Each one of these contains different amounts of different oils. So, he decided to make the perfect thieves oil blend for daily use. He found multiple ingredients lists, so he examined the properties of the different oils. His research resulted in an oil blend called Young Living Thieves Essential Oil. This blend is named after the historical story of the thieves. The thieves were spice traders and merchants that lived in the 15th century. They traded cinnamon and cloves from India across Europe. The international shipping and trade stopped when the bubonic plague struck. So, these spice traders were looking for a way to support themselves. A dark time. There were dead bodies everywhere, so the thieves made a decision to loot the plague-ridden bodies to sell the found clothes, jewelry, boots, pans, and pots, well, almost everything, so they can get food and money. They were aware of the medicinal properties of the spices. So, they believed that if they applied their knowledge of spices, oils, and vinegar, they would not get sick from the dead bodies. The king found out about this, so he wanted to hear their secret. Why were they not getting sick? 4 of these thieves were brought before the king and gave a choice: tell the secret or be killed. A kingly proposition. Well, they obviously shared the oil blend secret, and the rest is history. So, check out the recipes below. How to make thieves oil. Thieves oil blend number 1. 40 drops of clove essential oil. 35 drops of lemon essential oil. 20 drops of cinnamon essential oil. 15 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Thieves oil blend number 2. 200 drops of clove oil. 175 drops of lemon oil. 100 drops of cinnamon bark. 75 drops of eucalyptus oil. 50 drops of rosemary oil. Thieves oil blend number 3. 1 tbs. Clove essential oil. 1 tbs. Lemon essential oil. 2 1/2 teaspoon. Cinnamon bark essential oil. 2 teaspoon. Eucalyptus essential oil. 2 teaspoon. Rosemary essential oil. Thieves oil blend number 4. 2 teaspoon clove oil. 1 1/2 teaspoon lemon oil. 1 teaspoon cinnamon bark oil. 3/4 teaspoon eucalyptus oil. 1/2 teaspoon rosemary oil. 1 15 ml bottle of essential oil contains 255 drops. 1 5 ml bottle contains 85 drops. You should store these blends in a dark bottle and keep them in a cool place, not exposed to the sun. It is recommended to use thieves oil on a daily basis. You can use it for different purposes. You can use it topically, diffuse it, use it as a household cleaner, ingest it to improve digestion and strengthen your immune system. Diffusing thieves oil. It can purify the air in your home, eliminate odors, and support your sinuses and lungs. In an essential oil diffuser, diffuse 15 to 20 drops of thieves oil for 15 minutes, 3 times a day. This will strengthen your sinuses, lungs, and improve your respiratory system. Thieves oil all-purpose spray. To prepare an all-purpose spray that will clean and disinfect almost everything, just mix thieves oil and water. Thieves oil can eliminate the odor of your pet beds, clean microbial bacteria, and keep baby's room spick and span. Asterisk note: if you are a cat person, do not spray on a cat's bed because cats cannot process essential oils. Topical thieves oil. 1 drop of thieves oil to 4 drops carrier oil. Grapeseed, jojoba, coconut, avocado, Any healthy oil will act as a carrier. Some people can use thieves oil without a carrier, but some people can experience irritation. Massage this blend on your feet, behind your ears, lower back and neck. To boost your immune system, rub this oil blend on your feet. Household uses. Due to its potent antibacterial properties, thieves oil is an amazing all-purpose cleaner. You can add it to dishwasher loads, laundry loads, floor, and countertops to eliminate any buildup or stains. You can use this oil to clean your cell phone and other devices, to freshen up your kids' stuffed animals or your dog's bed, and to keep your plants bug-free. Add thieves oil to a cotton ball and place it in your home, car, or office to eliminate nasty odors. Massage therapy. You should dilute 15 drops of thieves oil with 15 drops of carrier oil. Massage over your lungs, back, and chest to improve your respiratory system. This will relieve the minor aches and pain. Thieves oil is very beneficial for treating insect bites as well. Ingesting thieves oil. To a bottle of water, add 1 drop of thieves oil. Drink this throughout the day. This will strengthen your immune system and clean your digestive tract. To a cup of warm water, add thieves oil and drink this as tea, 15 minutes before eating. To relieve a sore or dry throat, add 2 to 3 drops to 2 tablespoons of water and gargle. You can also add 1 drop of thieves oil to 1 ounce of water and add this into a spray bottle. Spray onto the back of your throat. Thieves oil miscellaneous. You should dilute 1 drop of thieves oil into 4 drops of carrier oil. Apply this to the affected area, directly or using a bandage or gauze. To relieve your headache, add a drop of thieves oil on your thumb. Place against the root of your mouth. Make sure not to lick your lips because it may burn. For sinus and lung support, add a few drops of thieves oil in a bowl of steaming water. Lean over the bowl, but make sure to cover your head with a towel and inhale. To fight acne and other skin problems, you can use thieves oil topically. You can also use the oil as toothpaste or mouthwash. For mouthwash, use 1 drop per ounce and 2 drops to 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Shake well.